Hey folks, Vinyak Gupta here. If you've ever wished your electric car could do more than just drive you around, I've got some electrifying news. Today I'm talking about vehicle to load, aka turning your EV into a giant rolling power bank. Yeah, you heard that right. So imagine this, you're out camping, the stars are out, and everyone's jealous because your tent has a smoothie blender and a disco ball. But how? Your EV, my friend. It's not just a car, it's basically a superhero with a battery cape. Vehicle to load, or V2L, lets you tap into your EV's battery to power up almost anything. Need to charge your laptop at a soccer game? Done. Want to keep the mini fridge running at a tailgate? Power it up. Or hey, maybe you just want to flex on your neighbor by mowing the lawn with your car's power. Why not? But wait, there's more. During a blackout, while everyone else is melting into their furniture, you can plug in your fan, coffee maker, even your Wi-Fi router. So you're chilling, sipping iced coffee and streaming while the whole block's in the dark. EV owners, welcome to the cool club. Now, here's the nuts and bolts. Most EVs with V2L have an outlet, some inside, some outside. You just plug in like you would at home. Most top out around 3 kilowatts, so you can run a lot, but don't go trying to power your whole house. And please, don't be that person who tries to run a jacuzzi. Trust me. The only bubbles you'll get are from the circuit breaker tripping. Bottom line, your EV isn't just a ride. It's a backup generator, a party starter, and, if you're like me, a portable espresso bar. Next time someone asks, why'd you go electric? Just say, because my car can throw a BBQ. Hit that like and subscribe button if you want more hacks to make your everyday life just a little more supercharged. Catch you on the road.